Hello, Cholmondoley Featherstonehaugh here. I'm in the airport at Chicago, one of the constitutionally restricted zones, if you know what I mean, and I believe you do. Very strange people around here. I feel rather naked without my guns. Perhaps we'll discuss this at a more convenient time. Thank you. Cholmondoley Featherstonehaugh here in the belly of the beast, as it were. They're just loading the plane. You know, that constitutionally restricted zone I talked about? Well, as you can see, we made it safely to Washington. But I must say that there are occasions when I felt as if I were suffocating without my constitutional right to bear arms on an airplane. And I think you noticed there were some very shady characters on that plane. If I were packing, things would have been cracking. Talk to you later about our constitutional rights.